So folks, I hope you can hear me. This video here is going to tell you a little bit about the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer, the 2023 model. You're looking at the dash. I have a couple different views here for your liking. Actually, I have a camera in front of me. I have my phone in front of me, so it's gonna be a little busy. So what you're looking at right here is the Triumph Tiger app that's on your phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That includes the settings. You're looking at the navigation, what it looks like. Pretty responsive. Not liking it just yet. We're not going anywhere. But if we were going somewhere, let's just say we were going to Richmond International Airport. So, bam, let's start the ride. Okay, the ride is starting. Okay. Modes. Okay. Let's go back. Right side. Navigation. Let's go home. Okay, you see a flash on the right hand side. And it will take you along. If we were riding, you would have seen it populate here, but something for another time. So let's go back to the screen. The screen goes back. Now what I wanted to show you is something I thought that was pretty cool, especially for YouTubers. Anyone really, folks out riding. These days you want to kind of be careful as you're out riding. Try to keep it short, but let's go here. If you press the toggle stick, that's where we get to. That's how many miles I've put on this thing. Not a whole lot, and I think with winter coming, it may not be as much as you think. So let's go back. The service is doing 600 miles. I don't know how much you can see. I have two cameras going, the one on my forehead and the one below. So it's going to your service intervals, your different warnings, your coolant, your damping, which you know is electronic, your TPMS, your riding age, all sorts of things. Now let's go to Bluetooth. Let's see if it connects. On the right, you'll see you have navigation, you have music, phone, SMS, GoPro. That's what I thought was pretty cool. So I tried it the other day, and I don't think, if you hear buzzing, it's my neighbor blowing all these leaves, which I need to do myself. So let me get through this. So you see the power button pops up. I'm gonna back up. Let's see if it's already on. Let's see if the GoPro kicks on. It might take a second since it's already on. Okay. It says please wait. I pressed it and held it down for about a second or two. Well, while it's doing that, as you can see, the ABS is flashing until you take off. Up to the right-hand top corner is the temperature, 62.5. Today in Central Virginia, that's the time. The time is correct. I do believe it's correct. Actually, it's not. It's 13:20. Daylight saving time was just done, I think, just last week or the week before last. Below, you'll see the fuel gauge indicator. Down to the bottom left, this is the blind spot indicator when engaged, when turned on. This is your Bluetooth. This is your battery indicator for your phone. It's how many bars you get on your phone currently. This is tachometer. Right here, it tells you that you can rev this thing up to about 9,500 RPM. Okay, what's going on with the? Told me to wait on the GoPro, but maybe I need to turn it off and turn it back on and let the system try to access it. And I'll turn this one back off. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so let's try it again. Says please wait. See if it wakes the camera up. Camera's up. Okay, nice. GoPro, you see right here, 45-37. This is all from the joystick. Of course, you would have your GoPro mounted to the bar, to the rear, wherever you want to do it at. It's still saying please wait. Last time we booted up a little faster. Bam. See right here with the same joystick, which is right here. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what the view is on here. It shows you the battery power. Show you the time. Okay. So let's scroll and see. This is a video mode. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. You see how it switches on the screen? You can see it literally on the Tiger screen and on your camera screen. Okay. You could choose the mode, time warp, video, and photo. Okay, so let's see if we could take a photo. You just took a photo. Okay, so all from the same joystick. To go up and down, just like I'm doing, you go up and down, and to engage whatever it is you're trying to engage. You just pretty much, for video, let's take a quick 5 seconds clip. See what it looks like. Right now, it's actually taping as we speak. Bing, 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 bing. So all of this here is pretty functional. So if you want to tape things as you riding down the street and you have a GoPro, this is a GoPro Max that I'm filming from. Excuse me. And I think all the newer GoPros, I'm not sure how far back compatible this is, but I think this is a pretty sweet deal. This is not to show you everything that's on this machine, but just to give you an idea of what he can do. I don't know if the 2022 is able to do this. I haven't seen anything on it on YouTube or anywhere else, but this is pretty cool. And you know what would be cool? If the Insta360 X3 would do something like that. I think it's pretty neat. That's quite a few photos. I forgot the size of this SD card I have in here. I think it's on 28. So pretty cool. Might be a 256 actually. So just want to show you that, not to take too much of your time. This is Ride to the Sun. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come back and see us. More to come. Trust me, more to come. But you have to subscribe to see this, okay? You have to subscribe to give me that motivation. Appreciate y'all. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, wherever it is for you. All right, this is Ride to the Sun. I'm out.